Asante. Aha. Oh yes. Asante sana. And Dr. Sarah K featuring the soccer team. I made it. I'm here today.
I don't even know how I did it.
Yeah. Turuhuraga muno mwambiriri-ini wake wa mwaka. Yes. Na inakuanga tamu sana. Ukijiuliza hii mwaka na hii maandamano, how did you make it through? Yes. And that's how you know you made it through, because Jehovah did it for you. Mudogo ito Salim Mvuria Mgala.
Yes.
He has been nominated at CSW Investment, Trade and Industry. Etikukirari na mudogo ito meano.
Rebecca.
Regetikirere to Salim
Mvuria.
Na ningumuroraga. Umikagiaga kumbaide niko kuguma Wikipedia. Ito dike mwiwega.
Yes.
Nachoka kumenya. Tabana ni mudu muthomu muno. Mudu muthomu. Kumurikithania na Joho. Ini kiwe. Ona tikukirora Joho. No ikara mudu akiroraga. Mudu aciaritwo mwaka-ini wa 1970. Aima hau agithie aciarirwo kuria gwitagwo Kadza ndani kuria Kinango ni wa Kware. Agicoka akiuma agithie Maviririni Primary School, agicoka hau agithie Mpeketoni, kuma hau ndagicokire agithie Egerton University, na agigraduate na Bachelor in Agri Business Management in 1996. Na a master's degree in participation, power and social change from the Institute of Development Studies in England.
Yes.
Umesomea kule. Mimi nikwambia uendelee na masomo, wewe wasema wacha utafute pesa kwanza. Watu wanasoma. UK. And he also has further certificates in NGO management and MST CDC kutoka pale Arusha, Tanzania.
Atutito tuthia twa seminar twa workshop.
No workshop. No ginyo ciona ni hande. Ona hende ndonete mutumia kwa kiuria wira kiuria na nyamu ciake cia kanitha.
Yamuga kwa certificate yake reali.
Cia kanitha participation in choir.
Yes, participation.
Ile bekirita.
Yes.
Eriteo.
Yes.
Helio.
Yes.
Akijana iko na impact. He also has certificate, further certificates in NGO management. Yes,
it's a workshop.
Ticho. Na ginyo sikira asikirite Wikipedia ine. He's a great man.
Yes.
Lulu okinegeretwo ru ministry yo.
Trade.
Na no rari na mining. Na blue economy.
Yes.
Lulu mining and blue economy anegero mudu wetagwo Ali Hassan Jaha. Na nui, let me tell you. Kaigina kaigiri no tuone hihi ta mutongoria wa bururi atanathi uria turendete aingi aitu na reke tuga wa mbere tutie ugu uria enaguo tondu kurigana na statement yake kaigina kaigi akiapoint kiria ri arari uhoro wa rapid kugarurania maundu na ihenya.
Yes.
No korwo andu ataru uria ndironire uria nyonire negera mundu gwitwo Badi turesa riri na Badi ni critic munene muno
finance
wa uria thirikari irahuthira kigina na magoti ri amuikirie riko amajute ngureo
Dalamwe kanya mukaraga kunyita.
Kamata. Dari kamata.
Dalamwe kamata.
Badi dari na kamata.
Yes.
Ona kuyo na Badi loko iromo huko.
Ya munegera finance.
Tondu Badi akoretwe critic munene muno when it comes to muhuthire wa thirikari wa kigina na magoti.
Yes.
Ginya kuria bunge. Ona hehe ndeigire Ruto ni anegerwo thegere yake. I don't know ida akira akiwa andu acio gatagati andu acio ri andu aria mangioneka ta mangiruta wira hau no andu anana angiri ni agutindikwo no reke tunengere Ruto ki his skunk.
Yes.
Itiguo no aririka riu nake ngwiciana wisdom ya president ri arakira aramenya amune ukoretwo akimuthikiria huko YouTube
na kwanza uhoro wa witangi wa mbia ni akoretwo ari very vocal.
Yes,
uhoro wa witangi wa mbia cia muingi
riu ri ndui ndungigitura waragia
ida for action ida reaction
ni hida ria ngi
action cieko
wanyita.
Yes,
ndugitura wiraga andu ati ni marathie kahora na wewe ngari iguru githiguo.
Yes,
riu no nginyo nayo tembe maguru riu ngeciria badi hau ri na no gacoka nyite nyamu ira itagwo ya 2025 ri angikihitukio ni
budget
akorwo na budget ri ndio niguo andu makamenya kana magacoka street ini
kama kaniko ni mago tutwarithira kwagire
kana kumahuri aru. No, sometimes by the way ni maundu ndiroragira I just watch.
Yes,
iyo no kone ne harakionekana hena kuriukania na riu hena tumaundu the intrigues ikonainie na mwathanire maundu macio makome maritu muno tondu here we are talking about a click andu anini muno controlling andu million 55 itiguo.
Yes,
na thini wa wisdom yao mona mundu gwitwo badi aguo gukorwo eki
gatagati-ini ka andu acio
etagwo atia by the mundu ucio
uriko
ucio
John Badi
etagwo John
etagwo John Badi
Badi
karikibidi adi muwi
umira yaga guku mundu ehithite muno ndaracuma kuria kwagiriire
ukimenya nginya athomete ha
uri
awakana ahindi
ritwa riake ri kiria
ena ritwa rina tuthongorio
etagwo
gathongorio ngo
etagwo ngongo
ni ngongo kana ni ngongo
cia ni ngo ya mbere ni ngo ena ndiri na gathongorio ni
ngongo John Badi ngongo.
Yes, na ni muiganu akunegerwo handu hau kuratuika atiriri ni athire Ligongo primary school and later joined Kokuro Boys Secondary School for his secondary education. He attended the University of Nairobi in 1992 and graduated in 1996 with Bachelor of Commerce. And in 2007 he obtained a Master of Business Administration. Yes.
Nugo.
Ore daki. Kaona kero kwa certificate yake. Ya teni certificate CNGO.
Ukira kwa so kira ni kita master gikuria UK kana kula ma US
akire na master kenyo taraki fatara master ona master ikire nyingi isire utaru akire na bachelor na master Kenya ndo afatara maundu maingi ota gutwarithia bururi na mbere
Bachelor of Commerce.
Yes. Yes. He has been very vocal, instrumental in Parliament, and in September 2012 Badu was appointed Assistant Minister in the Office of the Prime Minister. Anita. Yes. And I call it to MP wa Suba. And I call it to the Public Accounts Committee. Yes. And they do kana korokuni kumugita wega. He was in 2024 July 25th. The guy was nominated to be Kenya Cabinet Secretary for Treasury and Economic Planning. Yes. Una kana gadiro jege. Legi tembegu ereu. Winayo.
Yamenyite.
Dia kopale.
Yes.
Na
ogwa kwa to critic.
Yes,
let me tell you. Druno egari unigethari na kionania riri maundu macio koretwo akiaria riri.
Exactly.
Yes.
Exactly. Ona ni ndiro na mundu mwega ta mundu ucio mundu mwagiru mukigukira ucio tondu wokoretwo very focal.
Yes.
Wakinya ni horo wa kiria
wa muhuthiriro wa mbeca
wa kigina.
Yes.
Riu ni hindi na riu aindie tumarinda.
Yes.
Alihero drinks. Alihero biru.
Fegi